Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Animal Spirit Oracle. This is 52 Oracle Cards and Guidebook by Bruce Clifton and Sonia Parker, independently published. They also sent over this beautiful divination mat, and I have to tell you, it is nice and plushy, like it bounces back when you press on it. It's got this nice rubber backing. Very, very, very nice. So thank you so much. You can purchase this separately, by the way, on the website. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below if you're interested. And I love this because not only is this a yes and a no, but we have numbers as well as the alphabet. So if you are into using a pendulum, this is perfect. This reminds me a lot about the Magic the Gathering card mats where you can play your game on the mat and the cards don't get too slippery. So this will be great for, laying out your tarot cards or your oracles as well. I love the texture. It feels really good. They also sent over a raw crystal. I think this is aquamarine. I could be wrong, but that was very nice. It's so pretty. And then they sent a pendulum along with it. Nice crackle quartz. So that was very, very nice. Thank you so much for sending this my way to share. Now let's get into the Oracle deck. This retails for $29.99 in the UK, and the conversion from what I did is about $36.92 in the US. The website is in pounds, so do keep that in mind. And I'm excited to get into this because I love animal decks of all kinds. So it says, unlock the mysteries of the natural world. The Animal Spirit Oracle has 52 cards with stunning illustrations and thought-provoking spiritual meanings. Influenced by ancient Celtic knowledge, the cards provide a powerful tool to help you unlock your potential and discover inner peace. Our teachings will guide you to understanding how synchronicity works and why spirit animals appear now. With its intuitive guidance, it can help you find clarity in your decisions and reconnect with your higher self. Now is the time to take that leap of faith and take the next step on your spiritual journey. Each card infused with numerology, tarot influences, the elements, and Celtic animal symbolism. All right, so let's get into it. The packaging is nice and sturdy. I will say I would love a thumb, pull apart area there, like an insert, but I'm not upset. Just food for thought. All right, before we get into the cards here, I'm going to take a look at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know before utilizing it. It's your gateway to ancient Celtic spiritual knowledge and power animals. Learn how to gain a unique insight into symbolism and synchronicity of animal guides appearing as they do. Oh, we do have table of contents. Okay, I passed it. So we have getting started. We have some spreads. So 1 card, 3 card, and an elements spread. Some information about numerology, the tarot influences, elements, blackbird. And then it goes into the spirit animals, earth animals, air animals, fire animals, and water animals. All right. So it does kind of act in a way similar to the tarot structure with the suits. So water animals relate to emotions, fire to passion and creativity, etc. Okay, so there's the 1, 3 card, and then the elements spread, and then some information about the numerology. Awesome. Okay. And it's all color printed. And we'll dive deeper with that after the flip through. Now I'm going to unwrap these and I'll be right back. All right, so let's check out the cardstock. Okay, not bad. Okay, I was expecting maybe a little bit of a thicker one just because of the size, but it's gonna be very flexible. Look at that. It's on the thinner side, but it's not paper thin. It feels really good in the hand. With a bigger size card like this, I like it on the thinner side because then I can maneuver it a little bit better when I shuffle. But it does have a slight gloss to it. I wouldn't call it a high gloss, but this is the back. Very pretty. Okay, so that's just a little card there. Cute. Put that to the side. And here we go. I'll read the title because it looks like they're going to be different colors there. It might be hard to pick up on. So Blackbird, Leap of Faith. And that looks like a wild card, so there's no number there. Could be the 0, such as tarot goes. Then we have the numbers here. So we have B, dedication. Beautiful artwork. Dragonfly, purpose. That is beautiful. I love the color choices. Swan, self-empowerment. Bull, stubborn. Dolphin, community. Butterfly, freedom. Yeah, I really love the artwork. It's gorgeous. Unicorn, mindfulness. Deer, harmony. Owl, worldly wisdom. Cute. There's so much detail too. Dragon, spirit dragon, ancient wisdom. Okay, next we've got stag, independence. Snail, journey. Hare, fertility. I like that they're all little suits here. It's very unique of a deck. Badger, lawmaker. Cute. Donkey, integrity. He's so cute. Aw, mouse, curiosity. Oh, cat, mischievous. Look at the detail. Gosh. Cow, experience. Dog, loyalty. Oh my goodness, he looks like a little puppy. Earth dragon, potential. All right. Robin, messenger. Wren, inspirer. I like the addition of the different branches. Ladybird, innocence. Heron, patience. Song thrush, communication. Oh, puffin, soulmate. Eagle, rise above. Woodpecker, opportunity. Crow, oracle. That is really pretty. A little bit more mysterious. Air dragon, clarity. Okay, looks like we're in fire now. So salamander, transition. He's so sweet looking. Spider, fate. Hedgehog, fragility. Ram, determined. Those horns. Oh, fox, invisible. The detail is just immaculate. Rooster, victory. Pheasant, perseverance. Moth, obstacles. Snake, reincarnation. Oh, that's pretty. And fire dragon, vitality. And we got water. Salmon, wisdom. Crab, resilience. Turtle, eternity. Ooh, an eel, endurance. Frog, acceptance. Seal, carefree. Goose, abundance. Duck, live in the moment. Aw, seahorse, love life. And water dragon, compassion. It is really beautifully illustrated. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, very flexible. I just want to see side by side shuffle here. I like to do this with the wider decks. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. And this way shuffles well too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay. Donkey, integrity. All right, so it is an earth animal suit, page 52. Okay, a lot of information. So we have some keywords up top, and we have the number 5. Change, integrity, safety. Donkey ambles through life enjoying every moment. It repays every act of kindness and, most importantly, does not seek more kindness. Donkey is the animal that is content with what it has, always. Born to work, it relishes hard work, whether that be walking with families up and down the beach or the toil of the mines. If donkey can work, then donkey has fulfilled its purpose. Donkey understands limitations, what it can do and can't do. Humans can rely on donkey to keep them safe, because if donkey says it can't do something, then there is no point forcing it to do it. Donkey's advanced senses will keep everybody safe. When it is being stubborn, it is being careful and urging caution. So then we have the message here. Keep things simple. All donkey wants is somewhere safe, food, and a caring hand to help it achieve what it is supposed to be doing. Do not set your goals too high. Think about the basics, and those things will make you happy. Home should be a sanctuary, a place to shut out the world and be grateful for all there is. If you can be of service to others, then do it. An ideal profession would be in healthcare or welfare environment. Stay calm, dedicated, focused, and have a willingness and enthusiasm to get the task completed. Integrity is a key value and should be held most dear. If you need to adapt to a situation, do it quietly and without drama. Tarot influence, the 5 of Pentacles. There is always help available. For our spirit to soar, we need to recognize the needs. Give grace, stay humble. Okay, really like that they have the tarot influence as well. I do want to see with the spirit. Okay, yeah, it does have the connection to, for the spirit suit, has the connection to the major arcana cards. Oh, awesome. Okay. And then these suits are conducive to the minor. Oh, wow. Okay. So definitely really like this. I think it's creative. I think it is unique. The illustrations are just gorgeous. And I like that it is something that you can utilize in a lot of different ways. So you can use it for a daily pull. You can use it for confirmation alongside your tarot. You can use it for altar work, spirit animal work. If you are trying to connect to your own animal spirit guides. Whatever the case may be, there is a utilization for this. Very beginner friendly as well. For those of you who do not like to, use tarot too much, you're more of an oracle person, this might be your way to kind of combine the two, or if you are wanting to get into tarot but are having a rough go of it, it's a little too confusing, this might be a way to start, to dip your foot into it without being overwhelmed. So there's a lot of great uses with this deck. Love the keywords on the card. Love that it's sectioned out in suits. I don't really have anything negative to say. The only thing I will say is it is a little hard to read with the copyright here of them. I do understand why it's there, especially since we have a lot of people who like to steal the decks and make dupes of them. So I do understand why it's there. But just pointing that out, other than that, I really don't have anything critical to say. I think it's very well done. I think there is definitely a lot of uses for it. And now I would love to know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're interested in this, if this is something you're excited about. Have you heard of it before? Let me know down below, and drop a, if there's a donkey emoji, go ahead and drop that there. If not, use like a wolf or a dog. I don't know. Pick your favorite animal. Do an animal emoji to let me know you've made it this far. Thank you so much to Bruce and Sonia for sending this my way. It is beautiful. I'm excited to get to know it. So thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.